Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson with Miss Rafa. Today we're going to start with Unit 8, Essay. We're going to focus on the reading skill. So if you're ready, open your student book and let's get started. Genres of literature. Essay. Let's start with a preview. Page 74, Student Book. As a class, discuss the following questions. What kinds or genres of literature do you know? Name some figures of literature in Syria and in other countries. What are they famous for? Now let's start with the reading. Question A. Before you read, match the words from 1 to 8 to their definitions A to H. Use your dictionary to help you. Systematic. Systematic. Methodology. Methodology. Compile. Compile. Auditing. Auditing. Ambiguous. Ambiguous. Target. Target. Brainstorming. Brainstorming. Assignment. Assignment. Examining something. Auditing. Creative thinking and problem-solving method. Brainstorming. A person or a particular group of people that something is directed to. Target. Having many possible interpretations. Ambiguous. Mission or homework. Assignment. Carefully planned methods or principles. Systematic. Collect. Compile. Principles and methods of a particular branch of knowledge. Methodology. Now let's move on to the main vocabulary of the lesson. Analytic. 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 Interpretive. 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 Systematic. Systematic. systematic, Renaissance in British and Renaissance in American, Renaissance, Renaissance, dissertation, 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 thesis, 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 popularizing, popularizing, popularizing. حرف الإس ممكن اكتبه إس بالبريطاني أو زد بالأمريكي. Now let's start with the lesson. What is an essay? An essay is a genre of literature. It is an analytic, interpretive, or a critical literary composition, usually much shorter and less systematic and formal than a dissertation or thesis, and usually dealing with its subject from a limited and often personal point of view. It is accepted that the Frenchman Michel de Montaigne, born in 1533, was one of the most significant philosophers of the French Renaissance, known for popularizing the essay as a literary genre. Academic essay writing is one of the most important elements of success during school and university alike. Many students who lack a talent for writing have difficulty making and preparing literary essays. However, what these students don't know is that an academic essay is completely different from creative writing, as it is based on specific rules that you can use if you learn and stick to them. The academic essay expresses a type of formal writing that deals with one specific topic. The goal is often to convince the reader of a certain matter through a number of real proofs based on correct scientific bases. Essay parts. A successful academic essay must contain the following basic elements: a clear introduction with a summary and purpose of the essay, logical and systematic paragraphs that include supporting evidence from reliable academic sources form the content of the essay. A clear conclusion that summarizes the topic of the essay and the goal for which it was written. So we have introduction, supporting evidences, and conclusion. Types of essay. The academic essay is divided into several types that differ according to their content and presentation, and they can be summarized as follows. Interpretive essay, analytical essay, argumentative essay, comparative essay, problem and solution essay, and cause and effect essay. How to write an essay. Although the types and nature of essays differ in terms of content, length, and topic, they all follow a single methodology when compiled, and they include the three parts we have mentioned above. They also go through three basic stages as follows. First, the preparation stage, in which the preparation process for the essay is carried out and is considered the most important stage. In this process, the exact requirement must be understood by reading the question well and searching for any part that may seem ambiguous to you. Then, the purpose. The length and the type of the essay are determined. Here, the time required to realistically complete the research, writing, and auditing should be specific. Next, you shall think about your target audience, whose level of knowledge affects your writing style and the way you choose words. In addition to choosing the essay topic, you can follow the traditional method of brainstorming and writing notes on the topic. You can also try what is known as free writing, which involves taking a general topic and writing about it for about 3 minutes. Thus to gather as many ideas as possible related to it, to benefit from one of them and take it as a main idea. As for the third method, it is to get ideas for your essay from previous published topics and research in this field. Finally, after finding a major area for an essay, narrow your search to a specific topic that interests you and matches the requirements of the assignment given to you by your instructor. Remember that your topic must be original and specific at the same time. You can also search for it and find enough information and references. Now let's see question B. Answer the following questions about the text. Who is considered the founder of the essay? The Frenchman Michel de Montaigne is the founder of the essay. Which students find it hard to write literary essays? They are those who lack a talent for writing. How are academic essays different from creative ones? Academic essays are based on specific rules. What's the main purpose of the academic essay? It is to convince the reader of a certain matter through a number of real proofs based on correct scientific bases. What's to be included in the introduction? The summary and the purpose of the essay should be included. How are essays different from each other? They differ in terms of content, length, and topic. Which stage is considered to be the most important one when writing an essay? The preparation stage is the most important one. Question C. Read the text again. Decide whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false ones. When writing an essay, the focus is on the content, not the form. False. The focus is on the form and content. The informal way of writing is preferable in the academic essay. False. The formal way of writing is preferable. The topic and the purpose of an essay are stated in the conclusion. False. They are stated in the introduction. The different types of the essay mean different methodologies. False. They all follow a single methodology. There is no open time for writing and checking an essay. True. That's everything for today. Thank you for your time. See you next lesson.